Tree Insights demo. So once your flight has been done by one of our certified pilots, the data has been processed, you will then be notified by your customer team member to then go and look at your recent data. So once you click on your farm, you will see the data of the latest processed flight. Of course, you can go back to previous flights, have there been any, in this case a year ago, and you can quickly see and compare between flights. So if we go to the Feb 25 flight, clearly you can see differences in the specific orchards between flights. You can then from there on dive deeper in the different tree insight layers. So to go to the tree insight layers, basically there are 5 different layers that is annotated when flying with the drone. And the first one is health. As you can see, this is NDRE. This is basically the data or the ability of the tree to utilize light for photosynthesis. Vigor, which is absolute biomass growth, how vigorous your trees are growing, yes or no. Please note there will always be a delta when orchards are covered in nets. And then of course you've got canopy area as well as tree volume to give you a better indication of the tree architecture. And then finally we have the transpiration layer, should you opt to do the transpiration or thermal flights as well, where you can get a very precise indication of irrigation distribution uniformity as a result of the tree's ability to transport water through its system. Once you dive into an orchard, you can easily then compare between orchards to look at the correlation between something like transpiration and elevation, or transpiration and canopy area, or any of the other metrics. So in this case, just to stick to the example, you will see that there's a correlation between a slight drop in elevation, and you will see the trees when you go to a per tree annotation in the bottom corner, shorter rows of this orchard clearly influenced with having a lower transpiration. Could this be a valve issue? Could this be blocked lines? The value now lies in then going out, setting up a task, creating a route for your team members to go into these specific areas and go and do an absolute soil moisture assessment. Through using the app, you will then be guided to these specific areas, and you would be able to do a soil moisture assessment and end up making sure that your irrigation distribution uniformity is uniform across all orchards. Once back on your home screen, once everything has been done and you are actually then in AeroView, you will be able to see all the findings done on a specific farm, whether being notes that was dropped by team members, whether diseases being found, if there was any irrigations found, pests found. All the notes taken in the field will be live and visible on your AeroView platform. If there's any questions, feel free to contact any of our customer members.